Might be dreaming, but a dream counts for something. I think I only got 12. 13 maybe. Ugh. Jeez, 7 reps. That's probably it. Try to get one more force rep. Come on. Make it count. I worked up to 2 sets with force reps. I think I got maybe 8 or 9 reps with the force reps. So now I'm going to do some bent over cable flies for the upper chest. So that movement is like literally hitting all of this across here. Ideally, I want to do 4 sets, but I don't have the time to do it. I'm just going to do 3. Got one more set to do. So that movement right there, all across here, and it saves my shoulders. All right, so the last chest movement is some bent over cable flies, and I just feel those a lot better in the center of my chest, just bringing that fly together while my pecs are actually hanging. No, seriously though, when I'm bent over like that, I'm getting a better squeeze through the movement, but it ends up right here in the center of my chest, which I had that horrible genetic gap right here. I'm just trying to bring up, and that's just going to be a matter of just getting a bigger chest overall. So that's why I try everything under the sun when it comes to training my chest, but training in general, because I'm adventurous. I like trying new things out in the gym. Hate being stuck to the same old program. It gets boring. I totally get why people do it though, but I'm doing what works for me. So I'm 31 minutes in on the treadmill. Hit 370 plus calories. It's tough right now. So tough, but it's making me really become aware of a lot of things internally. How far am I willing to go? How far can I go? Just want to get better. Had these inclinations of what I could be. It's almost like a calling, your destiny calling. So all the actions I'm taking is answering that call. It's nothing external, it's all internal. What we consistently do determines our reality. Gotta build good habits, execute, and make the best decisions with the information we have.